Hi friends, this is Siddhartha. I am a certified life coach through the system called Dream Builder and also life mastery consulting that can help you turn your dreams into a reality. Welcome once again in the video series of how you can encourage someone by doing 5 things. Encouraging someone is one of the most rewarding thing we can do. In the previous videos, I have told you about 3 things for encouragement. Number 1, help. Help those who are in need. Number 2, encourage someone by appreciating or praising them for their good qualities or good deeds. Number 3, listen. Spend some more time listening to others. And today in this video, I am going to tell you about the 4th thing, and that is love. The feeling of love is a byproduct of taking action. Say hello to someone you don't know. Give someone a big hug. Tell someone you love them. Meet someone for the lunch. Make a call or send an encouraging text just because. Surprise someone by completing their tasks or chores. Invite someone to the church or the temples. Write down a thank you note for the janitors at your office or at the school. You can do many things for spreading the love in this world. You can do many things. And my friends, do you know the God's command? He says, "My command is love each other as I have loved you." So now I am going to tell you the story about God's love for us. One day, a man caught in a flood. First of all, he was called and told to evacuate his home. But he refused, saying that God loves me and he would save me. Now, the water rushed into the streets, and the streets were filled with water. And at that time, a rescue team with a rubber raft called him. But he again refused, saying the same thing: God loves me and he would save me. Now the power of water rushed throughout his windows, and now he had to stay on the roof of the house. A helicopter came, but the same answer. He refused again, telling them God loves me and he would save me. Now listen what happened. The flood did what floods do, and finally he drowned. On the other hand, he was angry and questioned the God, "Why didn't you save me? Don't you love me?" I kept faith till the end. The God perplexed and replied, "I tried. I called you. I sent a rubber raft. I sent a helicopter. But you couldn't see my help. You couldn't see my love for you. And finally, you lost your life." So, my friends, God's love is everywhere, in everything, in everybody. But first of all, we must have those eyes to see his love. So if you really like this video, please share it and subscribe it. See you again in the next video. Thank you very much once again. Thank you.